Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can fix your iPhone not charging. Well, the first thing that you can do is simply try to restart your phone and see whether it's charging or not. If restarting your phone is still not working, then it might be the issue with your charging cable. So make sure that your charging cable is working just fine. Insert it in another phone and check whether they are charging or not. If your charging cable is not the issue, it might be issue with your charging port, for which you have to make sure that your charging port is clean just like this. If it is dirty, you'll have to get to the Apple support and try to make your port cleaner. And so even if your port is clean and if it's still not charging, then try to use a wireless charger and see if it's working or not. But even with your wireless charger, your phone is still not charging, then it might be the issue with your hardware. So make sure to get to the Apple store nearby and get it checked. And like that, you can try to fix your iPhone not charging. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.